So hey guys, I'm MVRAK Mokrokne. So I'm gonna to review about Dark Season 3. So let's start with the review of Dark Season 3. The finale starts with Claudia approaching Adam, somewhat which Adam finds deeply confusing given that in every previous version of the loop, this has never happened. Claudia explains to Adam that his frequent attempts to destroy the knot have only ever kept in intact, including the act of killing Martha and her unborn child. Claudia further explained that both Adam's world, the one in which we have spent most of the show's 3 seasons run, and Eva's world, which was introduced in season 3, should both actually never have existed. They are the offshoots that were created as Thanos' experiment went wrong in the third world. The origin world will refer to the 3 worlds as Adam's world, Eva's world, and the origin world. Jonas and the version of Martha from Eva's world to the origin world in order to stop the event that resulted in the formation of both worlds, in essence wiping them out of existence. But it turned out that another Adam's attempted destruction of Martha's unborn child was just another thing which perpetuated the loop. The real origin was the car crash which caused origin world and Thanos to create and use the time machine. In the first place, Eva and Adam had grown up versions of Martha and Jonas in each respective world and are the key to ensuring the loop keeps repeating, even though at different points they are both trying to stop it. Jonas explained to Martha, "We are the reason everything happens the way it does. Why it happens again and again." And later Adam to Eva, "We are responsible for this never-ending deja vu. This is why it ultimately falls to younger Jonas and Martha to go to the origin world and stop the crash that pulls all the events in motion." Some viewers will undoubtedly have further questions and no one will have all the answer, as the show itself repeatedly says, what we know is a drop, what we don't know is an ocean. But all in all, the final season wrapped up Dark in a very satisfying, occasionally confusing manner. So this was my review of Dark web series. So I don't have to listen. I hope like any comedy,